So guys, I want to be sharing these updates with you, notwithstanding that I have made withdrawals from this platform. Now on this platform, all you do is to only accumulate your earnings, and you're going to be making every single day withdrawal from this platform. Okay, so right now all I'm going to show you is to first of all set up an account for yourself, and also how you can gain advantage of this platform. Okay, and also to lay a disclaimer, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It is just a platform that I decided to share with you right in today's video. Now in exchange, all I ask from you is to please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So right now, the first thing you want to do is to click the first link on the pinned comment section, and it's going to bring you over to this interface. Now all you just have to do is to put in a mobile number right here, then make sure you are putting in a password that you will always remember. So once that is done, putting in all these details, the next thing you want to do is to click on register. Then your account will be created right on this platform. Now after creating your account, the next thing you want to do is to know how this platform works and how you can also use this platform effectively to your own advantage. Immediately you set up an account for yourself, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now under job recharge, you can actually see you have over 250 Naira on your account. Now the first thing you want to do right now is to come down here to join the group of this platform. Now after that, the next thing you want to do is to come over to the home button, where you are going to be seeing the recharge, the withdrawal, customer care, team, gifts, invite friends, join WhatsApp group, and bank. Okay, now after taking note of these things, the next thing you want to do is to come down to where it says invest. Okay, so right now on this platform, it's going to bring you over to this interface. Right side you can actually see we have pepper, onion, sombo, cucumber, potato, and the likes of others. Now once you go for this first package, you're going to be depositing 2,500 Naira into your account. Now your daily rebate, your daily income is actually 700 Naira. Now in the total income of this, you're going to be getting 35,000 Naira on your account. Now if you choose to go for the package of the 6,000 Naira, you're going to be making a daily income of 1,600 Naira. Now in the total of this particular circuit, you are going to be getting 80,000 Naira for yourself. And so once you go ahead to the next one, you're going to be making a payment of 10,000 Naira. Now your daily income will be 2,650 Naira. Now in total of this circuit, you'll be getting 132,500 Naira. Also when you come down to this particular one, you can actually see that you'll be investing 20,000 Naira on your account, and your daily income will be 5,250 Naira. So once you go ahead also to this particular one, you're going to be seeing that you'll be depositing 40,000 Naira, and you'll be getting a daily income of 10,350 Naira. Now you can actually see the several packages right on this platform. So whichever one you have actually chosen from this end, the next thing you want to do is to come over to your home button, where you're actually going to be finding the recharge button. Okay, so once that is done, just come over to click on recharge, and it's going to bring you over to this interface. Okay, now you actually want to recharge 2,500 Naira for the first package. The next thing you want to do is to enter the actual amount you want to recharge. So let me say we actually want to recharge the amount of 2,500 Naira. All you just have to do is to come right in and put in 2,500 Naira, then click on confirm. So once that's done, it's going to bring you over to this interface, where you have to copy the account number, the account name of the account you want to fund. Now the next thing you want to do is to go over to your mobile bank app and transfer the exact amount of 2,500 Naira to this particular platform. Then you're going to come down right here and put in the bank name, the sender name, and click on recharge complete. So that is what I'm going to do right now. First of all, let me go ahead to put in the bank name, which is OPay, and I'm going to put in my bank name right here. So once this is done, the next thing you want to do is to take screenshots of when you actually transfer this money and upload this under choose file. So I'm just going ahead to copy this account number, and I'm going to transfer the exact amount of 2,500 now to this Wema account number right here. And so right now I've inserted the account number, and this is Wema Bank, and this is the name that is attached to this account number, natural VGL. So I'm just going to click on next, and I'm going to insert 2,500 now right here, and I'm going to write here fund my account. Okay, so once this is done, the next thing I want to do is to click on confirm. So I'm just going to click on pay. So I'm going to make a payment right now. I've taken a screenshot of this. So actually this is the transfer of this particular transaction. Then you can just come down to share receipt. Okay, so the receipt is what you're going to take screenshot of. So I'm going to take this screenshot right here, and I'm going to upload this under file. So right now I just have to come down to choose file, then go to my library right here, and I'm going to pick this, and I'm going to click on recharge complete. So in less than no time, I'm going to be seeing this reflecting on my account. As you can see, your deposit reflects after 5 minutes. Okay, so we just have to go back to our account and see if this has actually reflected on our account before we can go ahead to do the needful. So we are actually going to wait for some minutes before this will reflect on my account. As I said, 5 minutes, this is going to reflect on our account. Okay, and so guys, in less than 5 minutes I already got this added to my account. As you can see right now, I have a total of 2,750 naira. Now my advice for you is that whenever you want to recharge your account of the 2,500, instead of recharging 2,500, since after registration you're going to be given a bonus of 250 naira, so when recharging your account, just recharge your account with 2,250 naira. So together with the bonus you'll be getting, it will be a total of 2,500 naira. So the next thing I want to do right now is to come down to where it says invest. And so as I click on invest, you can actually see that I said this particular first package, which is Pepe, is for 2,500 naira, and my daily income will be 700 naira. Now in total of this circuit, I'll be getting 35,000 naira right for myself. So the next thing I want to do is to tap on this, and I'm going to be going over to see the total display of this, which is showing my recharge balance, and the price I'll be getting this is 2,500 naira. Now the purchase limit is just 1, and the circuit is for 50 days, and I'll be getting a daily income for 700 naira and a total income of 35,000 naira. So I'm just going to click on invest. So you can see products buy successfully. Okay, so right now you can actually see that I have actually unlocked this first package for myself. I still have a balance of 250 naira. Just like what I said, when you register you'll be given a free 250 naira right on your account. Now when you come down to details, you can actually see that payment approved, and my particular purchase for this has started. So I'll be withdrawing 700 naira every 24 hours. As you can see, yesterday's earnings is 700 naira and today's earnings also is 700 naira. So the earnings has just begun. Now the next thing you want to do is to come down to where it says join group. Just go ahead and click on join group, and you're going to be directed to their WhatsApp group, and you are going to see all the informations you need to get updated on this platform. Now Security Center actually talks about how you can actually change your password on your account from your old password to a new password. All right, so when you come down to where it says customer care, you can actually contact their customer service right with this button. Once you click on this, it's going to direct you over to WhatsApp, where you can actually chat their agent one-on-one on WhatsApp. Maybe you placed a withdrawal and it's taking long, you can just go ahead to contact their customer care, and you're going to be laying a complaint, and it's going to get resolved. So if you actually want to boost earnings on this platform, all you just have to do is to come down to where it says invite friends. So once you click on invite friends, you're going to be seeing your affiliate link, and this affiliate link can generate you some income on your account. Once you copy this, go over to any platform or share it with your friends, and you're going to be getting additional income to what you have on your balance. Okay, so that is actually how this platform works. Now when you come over to order, you can actually see that the invest time is 1, today's earnings is 700 naira, and you're going to be seeing the display of your income and display of all you need to know about the particular package you purchased, and you can actually see that 0 claim quantified. So once you actually have something to claim, you can just come right here and claim this, and you are good to go. You can actually see 2,500 naira activated. Now to place withdrawal on your account is very simple. Just come down to the home button. You can actually see customer care, withdraw, recharge, team, and gift. Now when you come down to withdraw, you're going to be seeing that you can put in your bank name right here and your account number. They said your bank name / your account number, then your account name below this. So let me show you for an example so you can get to understand this. Now your bank name, for instance, mine is actually OP. So once you click on OP, you can just put down a slash right here, then going to put your account number right here, then account name. This is actually my account name. Then you just come down right here and click on confirm. So by so doing, you're actually linking your bank details to this platform. So whenever you want to place withdrawal, just come over to withdraw, and you're just going to be imputing the exact amount that you are having under your available. So once you put in the amount, just click on confirm, then automatically immediately you're going to be getting this into your preferred bank account. Now when you come down to where it says gifts, you can actually see that this particular platform has an options for you to click on gift, and you can claim your reward when you have the redemption code. Okay, so how you want to get the redemption code is what I need you to comment right in this video. So anyone that comments redemption code, I'm going to send this redemption code to this person so you can get some extra gifts for yourself. Also, when you come down to this dashboard, you can actually see where it says bank. So once you click on bank, you can also set your bank details from this platform. So this is actually all you need to know about this platform, and this platform recently launched today. You can set up an account using the link on the pinned comment section and start generating income for yourself every single day. So guys, if I were you, I will quickly jump on this particular platform that just launched 1 hour ago. Use the link below this video, set up an account for yourself and leverage more on this platform. Now if you're to send in funds to your account, since after registering you're going to be given 250 naira. Now if you actually want to go for the first package, all you just have to do is to fund your account with 2050 naira. Now together it will be a total of 2500 naira, and you can go ahead to purchase the first package on this platform, which will be giving you a daily income of 700 naira every single day, which you can actually place withdrawal on your account. And so this is all about this platform. Thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It's advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give aways and also show you some strategy to boost your online earnings in today's world. See you on my next video, and thanks for watching.